Good afternoon, Fenlanders. I'm Daniel. Welcome to Fenland Farming Adventures. It's surgery time. I actually started last night because I got bored, and I've actually hurt my back now. So I'm booked in to go to chiropractor on Friday. Booked in to go and have a haircut as well because my barnet's getting out of control. But yeah, I've changed the oil on this. I've done the oil last night. Just got bored because my back was hurting. I think I was out here till about 10 o'clock last night just changing the oil. New filter. Oh yeah. Oh. So, I've not changed the fuel filters on one of these 15 series tractors. But we got one there. And we got one down the side there. So, let's get at it and see what's what. I'm pretty certain, let me have some light on the situation. Yeah, I've got transmission filters and everything to do as well, so I'll get on and do the whole lot. And then I've got the 170 to do, and I've got the sprayer to do. Let me get my screwdriver. Now, by the looks of the fuel filter on the other side there, they have changed it a little bit. There we go. Now how does that come off there? Does it go up or does it go down? There we go. Why do they have to make things so freaking complicated? Typical John Deere build quality these days. What's wrong with a normal plug? Right, let me go get a bowl. Right, yeah, where I've got, where I had loads of dogs, and now I've only got a few, these things come in handy. Poor little doggies. And I bought myself these handy dandy filter pliers off Amazon the other day. They work a treat. Ow! He says. Yeah, somebody's put that on there with no lube, haven't they? Oh, let's shut that down a hole. Yeah, got in dry. Yeah, you can make me sweaty. At least if I can get this engine sorted and serviced, that'll be one less job done. One less to worry about. Nice bit of derv. Get rid of that in my bucket. Now they give me new O-rings to put on, but a lot of the time I don't bother changing them. I mean, I've got my screwdriver here, let's take it off. See, there's a little O-ring in there. Look, let's get that out of there. And just put one on it anyway. It's a bit grubby, but I never bother cleaning these. I've never had any problems. Just drain the water out of them and job's a good one. Come on. Oh, I might even leave that little sucker in there. Can he get it? Can he get it? Come on. And they've given me a spare as well, so that's kind of handy. There we go. Come on. Ta-da! One dead one. That can go in the recycling. Oh, maybe I'll have a little wash out. Yeah, it's pretty gunky. I'll have a quick wash out. See how grubby it is. This is kind of what I'm moaning about. Look. See that? All them little holes around the inner, the rubber ring. Why have they made it like that? John Deere. They're all full of dirt. Why do they need to make it like that? Why don't they just make it as smooth and as flat as possible? Look. Each one of them just gets filled up with dirt. Not gonna go anywhere, but it just irritates me that this whole thing is, the whole tractor is designed like that. Bits of dirt can build up everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. Why? Why not just make it smooth so no dirt builds up in there at all? That'd be great. You know, makes you wonder, doesn't it? Who's designing these? People who went to university or people who have to work on them. And I'm guessing I know which one it is. And they're not the ones that have to work on it. At least I got a spare, I think. Unless that goes somewhere else. We'll keep hold of that for now. Let's lube that up, otherwise that won't come off next time, will it? Where's my bit of rag? Pretty good in there. We'll live with that. Yep. 2 different filters on there, I'm guessing. Put some dirt around the seal. That's what we was lacking last time, I think. Lubricate that up nicely, even if it's a bit dirty oil. Dirty diesel. And that one. Second-hand diesel. Oh yeah. Tasty. There we go, that must be tight on there. Clip that up. Guessing that holds it. Yeah, can't put that back on now. Me. Right, let's do the other one. Get it done. It wanted some oil in it. I ran it last night and it just, I filled the filter up obviously and put that on, but it did look like it was needing a bit, so. Oh, I don't know. That's pretty good. Pretty much on the mark there. Can you not see that? No, we'll leave that alone. We're going to get rid of this oil, so that's pretty good. So I've got the back end and the transmission and everything to service on this, so we'll get that done. Put that out of the way for a second, get my other diesel filter. I'm in. Fat boy coming through. There we go. Got it in the bucket. It's a really bad design. Why don't you put the diesel filter somewhere where you can get a little tray underneath them? You know, they have changed it a bit so you can get that out of there easier, but it's still running down the side of the tractor. Doesn't need to be like that. There's somewhere you can put these filters, I'm sure of it. Both of them at the front there. There, look. There, leave that drain in. That's all covered in diesel, which is good. Hopefully it'll be easier to get off next time. Always do these hand tight. And then I think, let me bit of rag, give it a little twerk. New filters. Cool. Job done. And then all you do, this is handy though, compared to the old diesels and stuff where you had to sit there with a paddy pump, priming them. Oh, as you can tell my back's hurting. Not much that I'm mentioning it. Turn the key on and they prime themselves. That didn't take long at all, did it? I'm guessing that noise will stop. I soon filled that up, innit? As long as they're not leaking, should be all good. What does everyone do with that one? Did everybody change that? Or do you do like I do? Notes changed now. Guessing we must be nearly there. Yeah, we got there. Leave it running for a minute. Oh. If we put the side panels back on, job's a good one. Yeah, while I'm having my cup of tea, I just noticed, so all of my tractors weren't going through. It's going to cost me a little bit of money, but they want the diffs changing, they want their oils changing on the hubs and stuff at the front. So while I'm at it, I might as well get the oil and do them. Diesel engine coolant, cool guard. Did anybody else put the cool guard in the radiator neat? I just put it in neat. It's mega stuff. The John Deere cool guard is awesome. If nobody else out there uses it, I would recommend. Oh, engine oil and filter 750 hours. You remember what oils them hubs and diffs have in, Dad? You can't. It has got a lubrication chart here somewhere, but it's just finding it. Servicing, cleansing, cleaning. You alright?
Yeah.
Let me find this and I'll come back to you. There we go, Bert. High guard is a trademark of John Deere and Company. Yeah, so high guard in a diff. That's pretty self-explanatory. So that's easy enough. Final drives. Turn wheel until oil level mark B is horizontal. Okay then. Alrighty then. All I want to know is what oil it takes. And that is high guard transmission hydraulic oil as well, so awesome. Right, we got that sorted then. So I'll do these up. I haven't got any high guard, I don't think. I've got loads of extreme guard, I do know, for the hubs on the sprayer. I might just ring Andy, my sprayer guru, because I always put this extreme guard in the extreme guard transmission oil. I always put that in the, I've got loads of that. Extreme guard. Oh, there's another one. Extreme guard. Ow, back's gone. I love Dad's working out. Combine trans gearbox near engine. So I got tons of that. I might as well use that up. I'll ring Andy. So that extreme guard stuff goes in the sprayer hubs. Whether they get a lot more of a hiding, I don't know. But otherwise we'll just get some high guard. Stand here, get away. Yeah, extreme guard. I've got tons of extreme guard. I've got the hubs on the front of the sprayer to do as well, so whew, it is warm. Yeah, next time I go over to Newmarket I'll get some high guard. That's what it says it takes. I bet it's a lot cheaper than what that extreme guard stuff is. That's them hubs on that sprayer take a hiding, you know. They got to carry the weight of the sprayer and they got to drive the machine. So I always like to put some blocks underneath the wheels. It gives me a bit more wiggle room when I'm too fat to get underneath the sprayer. So bit of an update on my tractor. Still not ready, still haven't got it. They've been busy. He sends his apologies. I don't really need it. Yeah, just like I said to him, you know, when you take or tell your children that they're going to see Santa at Christmas time, I think we're all the same, aren't we? Whenever you get a new toy, a new present or whatever, you kind of want it. Kind of like, I want it now, but I've got nothing to do with it. So they're doing a proper job of it. They know it's going to be on film a lot, so they're doing a good job of it. So it'll be here when it gets here. If not, we got a big coming, which will be fun. Grumpy Grandad didn't take that to his tractor run. Right, I'm going to get this thing hoovered out, and anybody wants to send me some air fresheners with boobs and bums on, feel free. Mrs. Farmer likes boobs and bums. I can't have her not having her boobs and bums. Better than these things. So I'll get one of these in the tractor, I'll get it hoovered out. We'll get it serviced. I might just put it out of the way for now and get the sprayer out and go and spray my sugar beet, spray my potatoes with Pre-M. If I can move my back. It keeps jamming up, so I'm booked in to go and get sorted out, hopefully. Right, get this thing hoovered out. That's better. My big whip is all cleaned out. Now, anyone wants to send me an air freshener with a booby on it, feel free. Get this in here and then I'll put the tractor up and then we'll get it serviced. I've got to try and find somewhere to have my magic tree. Oh no, that didn't work. Does anyone leave these things in the wrapper? Does it stop them smelling so bad? Do they hold their smell a bit longer? Oh yeah. Hit that done, hang out on there. Hoovered. Done. Oh, wow. I'm just going to service the underneath of it now, so we'll get on and do that. I'm going to get mucky. Like I say, I always like to ramp them up on top of a couple of blocks. No biggie. Gives me more of a chance to get my fat ass. My fat ass underneath it. There we go. We are up. We're on. One of the drain bungs that I like to drain out of is facing forward as well, so we're up. That'll do. I ain't gonna use these gloves anymore. Oh. Shut the door and then my cab will smell all pretty. I've got a list for John Deere that I need anyway. I've got to get a I managed to snap my window latch the other day. Don't ask me how, but I did. I take it you lot, when you lot service these 215s, there's a little gauze in there somewhere. Does everybody take that gauze out, or do they just dump the oil, change the filter and go again? We'll get under there and have a look. It's going to be kind of difficult me trying to film and not get covered in oil and work my broken back. Right, filters I have, check. Buckets around the other side, check. Filter pliers I haven't got. Oh man, my back. Not that I'm moaning about it. Not that I'm moaning about it. I feel like I slipped a disc at me back, but then I suppose I wouldn't be able to walk then, would I? So things I need. Doesn't take long when you get going. I mean, there's like 100+ litres in the back end of these tractors, so we'll get on with it. Oh, that hurts. Ow. I can't remember if I've got to drain that out there. That out there. That out there. I think I do. I thought there was one further back, but I think under the hitch. Yeah, there's one under there, but I think if I drain that one and that one, that should be most of the stuff drained out anyway. I'd like to think. I haven't actually looked under this tractor yet, I don't think. All good. I haven't actually looked under here, so I need a 13 to get that off. I think I've had that off before. Well, that's not good. Let's see if that carries on leaking. Yeah. Ow. So yeah. We are. Let me go and get socket set 13. And we'll go from there. Yeah, they've now got canister in there, so they've got canister in there and canister in there. So, alright. Nearly as well to do this. Yeah, some of my filters are wrong. I know they're wrong, just by looking at them. So, I don't think I've got any of them here. I don't think so. So, off we go. We'll shoot off and go and get some. It's as simple as that. I've got to do the 170 as well, so I might as well go to John Deere and get some high guard as well. So hopefully I got time. Oh, Mrs. Farmer, isn't she great? We'll go and get some filters, and then I'll see you guys in a little while. Cheers, guys.